Welcome back, friends. In the previous lecture, we discussed about how to create a procedure and how to retrieve the data from a table and to store in a procedure. And we also discussed about how to drop a procedure. So in this lecture, we will discuss about how to create variable in a procedure. So to create a variable in a procedure, a query will be given like create procedure, procedure name, then begin. So inside the begin, we will be entering the body of the procedure as we have to declare the variable name with the data type with default value. Otherwise, it will be mentioned as null. So then finally, you have to complete the query with the help of the delimiter and with the semicolon. Okay. So we will see how to create a procedure with the variable. Okay. So now, so again, I'm going to use the delimiter double slash, then create procedure. I am mentioning the name of the procedure as employee information info of, then begin, then I'm going to declare a variable, declare the name of the variable is total and data type of the variable is int, and I'm mentioning the default value as 0 and with a semicolon, then select, I'm using the aggregate function here, count of employee ID of into, it is mentioned into the title total from the table employee, then select total semicolon, semicolon, then end with the delimiter double slash. Okay. Now you just run this query. So we already used the database cows again. So just run this query. We will check. Yes, the procedure has been created successfully. You just refresh this. Now you can see here we have created a procedure employee information. Now we can see how to display this procedure. So if you want to display the procedure, just mention it as call, name of the procedure is employee info of semicolon. Then call this procedure. Now you can see here it is mentioned as total 3. Actually, in the employee table, so we already created an employee table in the previous lectures. So what we are going to do here is we are going to create a procedure with the name employee information. In that, what we are going to do is from the employee table, we are going to select the count of employee ID. We are going to select the count of employee ID. How many employee IDs are there? That will be the aggregate function will perform that count operation, and that value will be stored in a variable called total, and the count value, that result will be stored in the variable called total. That's why we are mentioning the data type of the total as int, because it will be producing the count result. The numbers only will be there. So integer data type will be taking care of that, and that employee ID results will be mentioned in the variable total. As a result, it will be displaying the variable. As a result, it will be displaying the variable. That's why we are mentioning it as a in select total. That's why we are mentioning it as a select total. So the total will be the title of the variable, and this variable total will be containing the value 3. Okay. So if you have doubt, so you can you can explore the employee table. So just show, we are mentioning it. Show tables. What are all the tables available in the database Kausigan? So just check with this. So these are the tables are there. Employee table is there. Just mention with the select star from employee. So it will display the entire details of the table. So you can see here, totally 3 employees are there. Employee IDs are 100, 101, 102. Okay. So this is how we can create a procedure and we can display the value by using a variable. Okay. So in the next lecture, we will be exploring more operations in the stored procedure by using MySQL Workbench. Thank you.